Imagine a battlefield, but it's inside your own body. Deep within your gut, a war is raging. This is autoimmune enteropathy, a rare and serious condition where your immune system, designed to protect you, mistakenly attacks your own intestines. Let's take a journey inside to understand what's happening. Normally, the lining of your small intestine is covered in tiny, finger-like projections called villi. Think of them as a lush, dense carpet, perfectly designed to absorb nutrients from the food you eat. But in autoimmune enteropathy, the body's own immune soldiers, white blood cells, get confused. In a devastating case of friendly fire, they see these healthy villi as a threat. We can see this misfiring in action. Cinematic animations show immune cells, like confused soldiers, targeting the gut lining instead of actual pathogens. They release a flood of glowing, Y-shaped antibodies that bind to the intestinal cells, marking them for destruction. This relentless assault causes the villi to shrink and flatten, turning that lush carpet into a barren, inflamed landscape. The consequences are severe. The intestinal barrier, which normally keeps things tightly sealed, starts to break down. Imagine the junctions between cells popping open like faulty gates. This creates what's known as a leaky gut. Undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins can now slip through this damaged wall and enter the bloodstream, triggering even more immune chaos and a storm of inflammatory signals called cytokines. This condition primarily affects children, and the impact is heartbreaking. A child might experience chronic, severe diarrhea, stomach pain, and significant weight loss. Because the damaged gut can no longer absorb essential nutrients, they suffer from malnutrition, no matter how much they eat. We see vital proteins and vitamins simply floating away, unabsorbed. An endoscopy view would reveal a red, raw, and severely inflamed intestine, a stark contrast to a healthy one. How is this different from something like celiac disease? While both involve gut damage, autoimmune enteropathy is not triggered by gluten. The immune system's attack is unprovoked and relentless, driven by a fundamental error in its programming, sometimes linked to specific genetic predispositions. Diagnosing this condition requires a close look. Doctors perform an endoscopy and take tiny tissue samples or biopsies under a microscope. The damage is undeniable: flattened villi and a massive infiltration of immune cells. It's like looking at a city after a siege, but there is hope. Treatment focuses on calming this overactive immune response. Immunosuppressive drugs are used to tell the immune cells to stand down. At the same time, nutritional therapy is crucial. Often, a feeding tube is needed to deliver specially formulated, easily digestible nutrients directly into the body, bypassing the damaged gut to give it a chance to heal. With treatment, we can see a remarkable change. The inflammation subsides, and the intestinal lining can begin to repair itself. The villi may start to regrow, and the child's symptoms improve. While autoimmune enteropathy often requires lifelong management, understanding the battle within is the first step toward winning the war. It's a powerful reminder of the delicate balance inside our bodies, where sometimes the greatest foe is ourselves. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share to raise awareness. Thank you for watching.